All righty. So, what are we looking for? Did we do this already? What are we looking for when we're measuring must wait? What are we looking for? I might be confusing you with something. I'm sorry, think of the answer. Sugar ripeness is A, B is acid and sugar balance, C is tannin ripeness, D is pulp density. What do you think?
Okie dokie. Lots of A's. I think there were a couple of other answers too that scrolled
Yep.
by me really quickly. So, but A is the favorite answer.
And you would be right. It is sugar ripeness. All right. What is residual sugar? Is it A, unfermented sugar in wine, B, sugar found in discarded grape skins, C, sugar added to champagne for secondary fermentation, or D, sugar from chaptalization? What is residual sugar? A, unfermented sugar in wine, B, sugar found in discarded grape skins, C, sugar added to champagne for secondary fermentation, or D, sugar from chaptalization.
And here we have the A's again.
Oh
Doing
my
their A game.
goodness. Christian, you're like,
That deserves an applause.
it does deserve, my goodness, you're not going to invite me back ever again. And you guys better start getting some wrong answers, or I'm not going to be allowed to do this anymore. Okay. So, question about residual sugar then. Do dry wines contain residual sugar? Just yes or no? Thanks, Dylan. Hook a girl up.
Okay, we have some yeses, we have some nos.
Okay. And we have some equivocating here. Yes, even dry, very dry wines still contain a small amount of sugar. So, Dylan, even when you tried to get it wrong, you got it right. So there you go.